So as I said, the wax is quite hard and dry. Sometimes it doesn't vacuum. Sometimes it does, and when it does, it comes out in one lump. So let's try a bit of suction first. Nah, that's rock solid. That's not going to budge with suction. It is completely occluded. It can be difficult getting the hook in position because we want to ideally get it in between the wax and the canal wall, but I'm trying to do that now and it's a lot of resistance, so it's going to be delicate. Oh, it's quite slushy actually in the middle. Wow. Huge lump. That all done. Just a bit there. Yeah. Let's get that in one mass, one go. Eardrum's okay. So we'll turn you around and we'll do the other side. It's huge, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to take a photo of that.
Yeah.
Show to the audience.
You'll be on Facebook and YouTube. You'll be a celebrity. There we are. Again, I'm going to just use the hook now because that worked very well. But once more, the ear is completely occluded, so I have to delicately get in between the wax and the ear canal. And which way shall we go? Should we go left or right? I think to the right. Might be wrong. Yeah, wax a bit softer this time, but I managed to get it in one big lump as well. Well, I hope I have. Let's have another look. Okay. Any other? No, it's all clear. Just been dead skin. Let's just gently remove that. That's nice and easy. How are you feeling?
Yeah, better.